buenos dias. It is 7:35 in the morning, May 13th. See, I got my Disneyland gear here on, glasses, all set to go. Today is the last time I will ever ride Splash Mountain, and I'm doing this in honor of lots of different people. My kids, the Holtzes, lots of other people. It's going to be a great day. The crowds are really low. Rope drop happens at 8 o'clock, so I'm going to head that way. Here we go, the iconic pass under the train bridge. Here you leave today and enter the world of yesterday, tomorrow, and fantasy. It is 20 minutes to 8 o'clock. There is a bit of a rope drop, but instead of doing it on Main Street, they're doing it here at the entrance to the land. So we have here Frontierland and Adventureland. That's something new. All right, they're giving a little announcement about getting ready to open up the park. That's a good sign. 7:58, getting close. And here we go. That is where we're going. I'm ready, and I hope you are all ready, because we're getting close now. We're going to go right past the Hungry Bear restaurant. I've always loved this guy. And I've always loved Brer Rabbit on this little well right here. There he is. Gonna miss you, buddy. All right, here we go. There is no wait time. Whatever. Here we go. All these fun, cool things I photographed over the years. Nice little fireplace, sayings above it. I always thought they should have a fire in that thing, though. Do you think so? Ah, there they are. The three characters, the Brer characters themselves. Love this music from this movie, The Song of the South. Down the stairs. Look out there. There's the train track. It'd be fun if the train were coming by. Oh no, you may get wet. I remember buying these little frames. What do you mean, the kids in them? There's a whole structure again. Down the tunnel. All right, I'm going to be getting on shortly. The last ride, man. I can't believe it. Been coming on this for over long time, decades. Pretty sure I'm gonna get wet. Have to hang on to my hats and glasses. Well, I only have one, and glasses already put away. All right, here we go. The first little drop. Okay, there's one drop of water on my pants already. That's a big one. But that's not where you get the most wet. Alright, we'll go up this one last hill here. These fun little props. There we go. All these cool things. Alright, somebody lives up here on the left. Let's have a look at that. Ah, that's Brer Rabbit's house. There it is. Bye, Brer Rabbit. And Brer Fox. Up there.
Yo creo que son como dos o tres.
love going by all this little thing of produce here. Always looked at those watermelons and thought, man, I'd like some of that. Mwah. All the happy music, man. A great scene. Rare bear caught in a trap. There's Rare Rabbit. Rainbow Ponds coming up. Ah, he's moving up top. All right. Okay, things turn a little sad right here. Critters are all sad because Rare Rabbit got caught. But we know it ends happy. Stay away from the the buzzards.
We've got your laughing place right up here.
They're a delightful pair.
You're looking laughing.
Up, 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 up. Great ride, man. Hardly got wet. I always put my feet under the little thing and it never gets wet. So my shoes are dry. Yay. Fowler's Cellar. There's Chickabin Hill up there. Zippy D lady. Man, I'm gonna miss you. And of course, there's the train track up there. You can see this scene from the train when you ride it. Crocodile got a hold of Rare Fox. Here's the happy scene. Rare Rabbit got away. Made so many good memories on this attraction. The kids over the years, other great people. So fun. Can't believe this is the last one. Up the ramp for the last time. Can't run away from trouble. There ain't no place that far. I didn't get very wet. My leg did a little bit on the side. My shoes are as dry as a bone. As if the bones were all dry, but this is a fun little spot for a picture a long time ago. I sat the kids right up on this little shelf right here. All three of them took their picture. Ah, such memories. There it is, one last goodbye. So long, old friend. Brought a lot of happiness, good memories to our family and friends. Such a creative ride. This opened in 1989, by the way. The famed Imagineer Tony Baxter was credited with this attraction. Back past the wishing well. Goodbye, Brer Rabbit.